The software development lifecycle, SDLC, is a process used by software developers to design, develop, test, and deploy software applications. The SDLC process consists of several stages that ensure that the software is developed in a systematic and disciplined manner. Here are the 5 stages of the SDLC. Requirements gathering and analysis. In this stage, the software development team identifies the user requirements, defines the scope of the project, and performs a feasibility study. The team analyzes the existing system and identifies the areas that need improvement. Design. In this stage, the software development team designs the software architecture and creates the software specifications. The team identifies the programming languages, tools, and platforms that will be used to develop the software. Development. In this stage, the software development team writes the code and develops the software application. The team performs unit testing to ensure that each module of the software works as expected. Testing. In this stage, the software development team performs system testing to ensure that the software application meets the user requirements. The team identifies and resolves any defects in the software application. Deployment and maintenance. In this stage, the software development team deploys the software application to the production environment. The team also provides ongoing support and maintenance to ensure that the software application continues to work as expected. Overall, the SDLC process helps software development teams to ensure that the software application is developed in a consistent, efficient, and effective manner and meets the user requirements. What is a software testing plan? A software testing plan is a document that outlines the strategy, approach, and scope of testing activities for a software application. It describes the objectives, deliverables, resources, and timelines for testing the software, and serves as a roadmap for the testing team. The purpose of a software testing plan is to ensure that the testing process is organized, systematic, and comprehensive, and that it effectively identifies defects and ensures the quality of the software. A typical software testing plan includes the following elements. Test objectives. The software testing plan should clearly state the objectives of testing, such as verifying that the software meets the user requirements, ensuring the software is error-free, or checking the performance and scalability of the software. Test strategy. The software testing plan should describe the overall approach to testing, including the types of testing that will be performed, the testing tools and techniques that will be used, and the testing environments that will be set up. Test scope. The software testing plan should define the scope of testing, including the features, functions, and modules of the software that will be tested, and the specific test cases that will be used to validate the software. Test deliverables. The software testing plan should identify the documents and reports that will be produced during the testing process, such as test cases, test scripts, test results, and defect reports. Test resources. The software testing plan should list the personnel, equipment, and software tools that will be used during the testing process, as well as the training and support that will be provided to the testing team. Test timeline. The software testing plan should establish a timeline for testing, including the start and end dates for each testing phase, as well as the milestones and deadlines for completing each testing activity. Overall, a well-designed software testing plan ensures that the software is tested thoroughly, and that any defects or issues are identified and resolved before the software is deployed to the production environment.